This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Parr. Great location, 2-bed 2.5 bath, 1,176 square feet townhome with open kitchen, large living room and separate dining room. 2 master bedrooms with private bathrooms. Laundry room is right off of the kitchen and includes washer and dryer. Complex has a pool, gym and clubhouse. Close to North Florida Regional Hospital, University of Florida and Santa Fe College, along with shopping and lots of restaurants. For more information, review the details below.